Hello students, today we will revise sentences. It is the revision of sentences. Revision of sentences. So what is a sentence? Why we are revising? For all those things which we have in our mind, means we should recapitulate it. Okay, let us revise one more time. So what it is? A sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes what? Complete sense. मतलब जो आपको पूरा मीनिंग जो है क्लियर करवा देगा. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है ये. व्हाट इट इज? इट इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स which makes a complete sense. ठीक है? Means this is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. जो आपको complete sense यानी complete meaning जो है समझा देगा. एक which makes you understand the proper meaning of the phrase or line. Proper meaning of the phrase or line lines of certain words which are in the group group used for communication. Got it? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. जो आपको complete sense बता रहे थे, it is used as a group of words. Means it will make you a complete clarity of a sentence or a which you call a phrase. या फिर आप कहते हो ऐसी lines which are containing certain group of words which we are using for communication. यानी communication यानी कि that is sharing of ideas, facts, figures जो भी है आपके पास. ठीक है? That is sharing of ideas. That is what communication is. Sharing of ideas which are in the group used for communication. That is sharing of ideas. ठीक है ना? ये सारी क्या है? सेंटेंस है. नाउ कहने के लिए क्या है? सिलेबस में आपके क्या है? देयर आर 8 kinds of sentences. 8 kinds of sentences होते हैं which are mainly what? Assertive, then these are the interrogative and exclamatory and more are there in your syllabus. ठीक है? Assertive हो गया, then interrogative हो गया, then exclamatory हो गया. Mainly 4 to 5 types of sentences there are there. Okay, but in your syllabus what we are going to have? assertive. Assertive means framing a simple sentence. Then it is, and second is only interrogative. That is question making. Alright. So starting with assertive. Assertive means simple sentence making, and in simple sentence आप कैसे मेक करते हो? By using subject. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन है आपका, subject plus is, am or are plus verb. Main thing is what? Verb. प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, यानी सब्जेक्ट मीन्स जो करता है या फिर जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, द पर्सन हु वी आर पुटिंग इनटू द फ्रेम और हु इज डूइंग द वर्क, और रिगार्डिंग दैट पर्सन द सेंटेंस, द कम्युनिकेशन इज बीइंग डन, दैट इज नोन एज सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, इज, एम, आर, दीज आर व्हाट, ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स है जो कि आपको बताते हैं कि क्या चीज़ हो रही है. प्रेजेंट में सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल है कोई चीज़, या फिर पास्ट में है, तो ये सारा कुछ इज, एम, आर से आपको पता चलता है. देन इट इज़ वर्ब. वर्ब इज द मेन डूइंग थिंग. वर्ब इज व्हाट? डूइंग वर्ड्स, जो आपको बताता है दीज आर एक्शन वर्ड्स. देन इट इज व्हाट? Then is what? Object. Object means on what thing the subject is doing the work. किसके ऊपर काम किया जा रहा है. ठीक है, that is object. Fine. So for example, now in your book is given that Shillong is the capital of मेघालय. शिलोंग इज व्हाट? सब्जेक्ट. किसके बारे में बात कर रही है? शिलोंग के बारे में. इज, यानी इज इज व्हाट? इट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो कि बता रही कि अभी है, दिस इज अ प्रेजेंट. इज द कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय. ओके, इट इज व्हाट? इट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो गया? मेघालय. बट वर्ब इज व्हाट? इज द कैपिटल, यानी मेन चीज क्या हो रही है यहाँ पे? कैपिटल की बात करी जा रही है. मतलब कैपिटल, इट इज द एक्शन वर्ड. शिलोंग इज द कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय. ठीक है, इट डजंट मीन्स दैट ओनली कुछ आप मूव करो या कुछ, इट मीन्स समथिंग इज पुटिंग इनटू एक्शन. दैट इज शिलोंग इज द कैपिटल ऑफ मेघालय. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू सी फॉर सेंटेंस? फर्स्ट इज the sentence should be begin with the capital letter. Then third is that there should be a verb. Okay, so in Shillong you can see S is capital and the verb is what? Is. ठीक है, is, am, are, they are the verbs also. is the capital of Meghalaya. इसको बोलते हैं is, am, are, these are the verbs. ओके, दीज आर नोन एज द बीइंग वर्ब्स भी बोलते हैं. इससे आपको प्रेजेंट के बारे में पता चलता है, पास्ट के बारे में पता चलता है, बस दीज आर नोन एज बीइंग वर्ब्स. ओके, इज, एम, आर, दीज आर नोन एज बीइंग वर्ब्स. Fine. Is, am, are what? Being verbs. Is, it is stating that it is in present, and for singular subject हम क्या बोलते हैं? Is. I के साथ क्या लगाएंगे? Am. And plural, for plural it is what? Are. Okay, for example, Sheena and Meena are going to the market, or Soumya and Kartika is going for shopping. ठीक है, समझ में आ गई? तो यानी कि these are two, so that is why we are using are, but these are also verbs. ये क्या है? being verbs. sometimes ये आपके helping verb की तरह भी काम करते हैं, sometimes ये main verbs की तरह भी काम करते हैं. main verbs की तरह कब काम करेंगे? when the main verb, that is main action doing word, is not given. For example, Ram is playing football. ठीक है, is this what? is this also verb? playing, in this playing, play is also verb. ing is used. this is the continuous tense. ठीक है, continuous present tense की हो रहा है. ठीक है, खेल रहे हैं. now is this what? it is a verb, but this is what? a helping verb. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास main verb दे रखा है, इसलिए ये main verb की help कर रहे हैं. but for example, if I say that Shyam is a boy. अभी इसमें मेन वर्ब कहाँ पे है ही नहीं, so is this what here? main verb. fine, when main action word is not given with that in a particular sentence, then is, am, are, they act as a being verb or main verb. is that clear? so Shyam is a boy, so is this what? a verb here. ठीक है, now next, so these were your assertive sentence. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, जैसे कि A part है इसमें. fine, in your exercise A part is there. bingo, match the sentences they are given. okay, for example, bingo, my dog. okay, now how many options are given? the capital of Meghalaya, it is shining up there. is a bird cannot fly. ठीक है, fetched the newspaper. So what is the correct answer? That D. So you have matched the sentence. bingo, my dog fetched the newspaper. Fine. So see, I can write that Bingo my dog, the capital of Meghalaya. It is a sentence. Bingo my dog is bird cannot fly. This is also a sentence. But the thing is that which is the correct sentence? Fetched का क्या मतलब होता है? पकड़ कर लेकर आना. ठीक है. So Bingo my dog fetched the newspaper. So match the sentences. Bingo my dog, the capital Meghalaya, it is shining up there, is a bird cannot fly. So this is what matching the correct sentence. क्या बनेगा इसका? Bingo my dog fetched the newspaper. Now second one. Oh, look at the moon. What will come from above options? It is shining up there. So, oh look at the moon, it is shining up there. It is a correct sentence. ठीक है. In this what it is? Oh look at the moon, it is shining up there. So main verb is shining, and here O should come as capital. Fine. So this is what match the sentences. Now we have studied what? Assertive sentence. कि assertive sentence कैसे बनाई जाती है. So you have learnt it. It is a framing a simple sentence. Fine. In this simple sentence you can find out one is a subject, then the it is the that is am are is not there, but is there in oh look at the moon, it is. So is this what it is? The helping verb, and shining up there is a main verb, and then there up there is what? Object. Now same thing in your syllabus is subject and predicate. Now subject is what? First part of the sentence, and predicate is what? The last part of the sentence. Oh look at the moon. So O is what here? Subject, and predicate is look at the moon, it is shining up there. So last part जितना भी आएगा वो सारा क्या है? That is predicate. Okay. So oh look at the moon, it is shining up there, and Bingo my dog fetched the newspaper. Bingo is what? Subject, and my dog fetched the newspaper is predicate. Fine. So we have learned assertive, subject, predicate. ठीक है. Now next is, if you are seeing that for example circle the subject and predicate. It is there in your page number at your 7, page number 7, E part. In your E part, circle the subject and the predicate. In this, first is Ashley and Ashok live near my house. Ashley and Ashok live near my house. So Ashley and Ashok, you have to circle what? Ashley and Ashok. So what you will circle? Ashley and Ashok. So Ashley and Ashok, these are what? Subject, and predicate is what? Live near my house. So you came to know the subject, predicate. Fine. Now is interrogative. Interrogative, what you will do? You will have to fit in the WH questions. What are WH questions? W I have said in you the Zoom meeting. What, where, when, why. These are what? W questions. And H questions is how. Fine. So what, when, why, where, whom. Fine. These are what? W questions. And H, that is the how question. Fine. So if you have to find now from these sentences, Bingo my dog fetched the newspaper. So how you will make the question of this? What you can use? Which my dog fetched the newspaper, is this right? No. What my dog fetched the newspaper is right? No. When my dog fetched the newspaper is right? That is also not right, because in answer there is no time given. If I could have written in the answer that Bingo my dog fetched the newspaper at morning 9 a.m., then you could have put that what time did my dog fetch the newspaper, or when was the time my dog Bingo fetched the newspaper. But what should come here? Here should come what, कि आपको action बता रहा है. Fetch the newspaper is the action. So what you will do here? What my dog Bingo do? So this is the answer. That's what did he do? He fetched the newspaper. उसने क्या काम करा? उसने newspaper को fetch किया. So what will be the answer? What. ठीक है? So what my या what Bingo my dog did या what my dog Bingo do. Fine. So this is what? The interrogative sentences. So you have learnt interrogative sentences also. You have learnt assertive sentences. The whole chapter of sentences is prepared. Now practice your whole exercise. And if you don't understand, then you call me at the WhatsApp.